Hello all. Welcome to session 11 of the PySpark series. So in last few sessions, we have seen with column transformation, we have seen select transformation, right? Uh, with column transformation, we have seen we can update existing column or we can create a new column using with column transformation. Select transformation, we did a few calculations also using select transformation, and we know that select transformation take um, column names as input, right? Example, if I show you, yeah. To select column, I have to give column names as input, right? Select transformation takes column names as input, right? Now let's understand select expr transformation. Okay. Now select expr transformation take column name and expressions as input. Okay. So so select expr transformation take column name and expression as input. Okay. In case of select transformation, it was only column names, right? Here it take expressions also as input, right? So I'll clearly tell you the difference between select and select expr. Okay. Now, fine. We have data stored at this location. So let's start from the what we need to do. I hope so far you are aware that we have to create the schema first from PySpark.sql.type. We have to import star. Okay. We have to read the data frame. We have to read the data frame. We have to create the schema, right? Let's see emp schema. I could have copied the code, but I don't want to do that. So type, okay, field emp id. What is that? Integer type, right? And then there are two more columns. Yeah. Emp name. This T should be capital. Okay. Emp name is string type and emp salary is long type, right? Long type. Okay. Fine. Let me try to print this schema. What it shows. Print emp schema. Okay, it shows this. Fine, fine. This is the schema it is showing. Fine. Okay. Now let me read the data frame. Emp df equals to what we'll use. We'll use spark.read. Okay. Dot format. What is the format? CSV. Okay. Dot schema we have defined. Emp schema. Right. Then what I have, my first row is header. Okay. So what we do, we give header equals to true, right? Dot load. Oh, file path I have to copy. Yeah, copy file path. Okay. So this is called reading the data frame with standard data frame reader API, right? Let me display empdf dot display. Fine. We have read this data frame. Now with both with column and select transformation, we took one simple example to increase the salary by 6%, right? Let's do same here with select expr transformation as well. Say solving the same problem using select expr transformation. Okay. So what I'll do, I said I'll just import wherever I need some PySpark function. I'll just import from PySpark.sql import functions as F. Okay. just to keep the code standard. Okay. Now what I have to do, let me create a new data frame, empdf1 empdf dot. What I'll do, I'll use selectExpr, right? So as we have seen, as we as we have discussed here, it takes column names and expression as input, right? So now, um, uh, first case we will see where we have to update existing column, update salary, okay, in existing column, okay, existing column, right? So let's do that. I have to take emp id as it is, but to match the standards, I have to do it like this, right? F dot call. I have to use column function, right? Simple. F dot call. What I have to use? I have to do emp name, right? And next, what I have to do? Very simple. I have to emp salary. Just a second. F dot call emp salary into 1.06, right? Dot alias what emp salary. I have to update the existing column. Let's see if this works. This has thrown an error. What it is saying? Column is not iterable. Line 3. Which one? Yeah. Let's see. I think I have to use here as SQL. Let's try that. As emp salary. Let's try this. Okay. Again, column is not iterable. Okay. Let me try without emp id, without f dot call emp name. Right. Okay. Okay. It has worked. Fine. So here I have to use it as it is without f dot call, right? empdf1 dot display, right? Now here we have got the results. That is fine, right? We used f dot call here, okay, but it did not accept f dot call. So now let's understand the reason why it did not accept f dot call, right? Result, that is fine. Results we will achieve anyhow. You have seen here in the code, I did few changes, right? And we achieved the result, right? But generally, select expr transformation accepts type expressions. Okay. So as we said earlier, this is SQL type expression. Okay. Wherever we use f dot call and alias. So with when we used with column transformations, right? With column and select transformation, there we used um, f dot call, right? F dot expr dot alias, right? So that is Python approach. Okay, that is most of Python approach. Okay, but here in case of select expr, it accepts SQL-style expressions. Okay, so that is the reason it did not accept f dot call, right? That is the reason we directly specified column name here, right? And the expression. Now in here you will notice in case of select expr, here we don't need to specify f.expr. Okay. Same thing when we were doing using with column. Let me show you with column and select transformation. I'll create empdf2. Okay. empdf dot with column, which is the column I wanted to change. Okay. What f dot call f dot expr. What I want to do is emp salary into 1.06. Here I can use dot alias. Not needed. Dot alias not needed because here this is the column I'm updating, right? Let me run this empdf2. Okay. And if I display dot display, right, done. Right. So here we specifically need to specify expression function, right? We specifically need to specify f.expr, right? And in case of select transformation, empdf3 empdf dot select. What I have to do, I can use f.col here, a more of a Python approach, employee ID, right? Then second column I want to select is emp name, okay? And then f.expr emp salary into 1.06 dot alias emp salary, emp salary, right? Okay. Let me show you empdf3 dot display, right? Right. So this is the difference in select transformation, select expr transformation, and with column transformation. So select and select expr, we can work in like all this f.col, f.expr. We can work Python way here. Okay, it accepts the functions. Okay, PySpark functions, but in case of select expr, it accepts SQL-style expressions. Okay. So this is the difference between with column transformation, select transformation, select expr transformation. But you have seen the result, right? Whatever results we wanted, we could achieve using all the three transformations. Same results we have achieved, right? Okay, fine. Now, simple again. This last thing we will try using Spark SQL. So what I have to do, create or replace temp view. Okay. EMPL employee, right? It's very simple. You must be knowing as of now. What I'll do, spark.sql. Let's try to solve this using SQL way. Select EMP ID. Okay. EMP name. Okay. EMP salary. Salary into 1.06 as EMP salary from employee, right? You can see as this is more of a SQL expression. Okay. And I can use display because result of my Spark SQL is always a data frame. Okay. So on data frame, I can use display action, right? This is done. Okay. So this is how a single problem we can solve using select transformation with column transformation. Okay. And select expr transformation, right? So that I think everything for this session. Okay. The clear distinction between both all the three transformations I have explained, right? If you feel this is useful, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in comment section, right? Thank you so much for watching.